It's no secret that groundwater and waterlogging are serious problems. Waterlogged basements unfit for use, or unstoppable flows of water into the house, are all familiar to many of us. IZOPRON, a waterproofing material of penetrating effect, has been created in order to combat these problems. IZOPRON serves to process and protect concrete, stone, brick and plastered surfaces from penetration of ground, atmosphere and man-induced water. This model shows how IZOPRON solves the problem. The material can be applied to the surface from both inside and outside the building, without the need for expensive excavation works. In order to protect the concrete construction, IZOPRON was applied from the inside, and this model shows that no leakage through the concrete surface was observed. Taking standard ceramic bricks as an example, one can see that after the application of IZOPRON, no water penetrates through, despite the fact that not all holes are filled with mortar. Other products are not a match for the multi-purpose nature of IZOPRON, which can be used for both the filling of the joints of construction buildings and the application of waterproofing plaster on brick walls or pure concrete. In the process of IZOPRON application, a few questions may arise. For example, how to work with joints, as well as difficult surfaces made of different materials, such as concrete blocks, filled concrete, and bricks. On all construction sites, one can find mortar sand, and by simply adding a given amount of this, one can solve all problems which can, and often do arise, without producing any byproducts. IZOPRON is easy to use. One simply has to mix it with water and apply it with a brush. It's better to prepare IZOPRON in small portions, approximately 2 kilograms each, in clean vessels. Blending should be done with the help of a mixer. We would like to emphasize that blending time is only 5 minutes. 2 kilograms of mix requires no more than half a litre of water. After blending, the mixture becomes an elastic and flexible mortar, which can then be applied with a brush or with an applicator. After application, the surface should be hydrated for 2 to 3 days, as the aftercare is similar to the curing of freshly laid concrete. That is, one should prevent the applied material from drying too quickly. But before material application, one should know that the surface which IZOPRON is about to be applied on has several requirements. The surface should be free of any foreign substances, such as plaster, grease, oil, or whitening paint. The surface onto which the waterproofing mixture of IZOPRON is applied must be solid, seeing as the material penetrates the system, and the more solid the concrete or the fastening of plaster to the brick base is, the better and longer this surface and its waterproofing will operate. It is crucial that before application of the mixture, the surface should be moist. The surface shouldn't be dried up if you have such a problem. This moisture is exactly what contributes to the penetration of the material into the concrete, seeing as a concrete system consists of pores, and pores are microtunnels which have to be filled to stop penetration of water. So, in this case, water is a carrier, which absorbs active components of IZOPRON and is the site of the chemical reaction. Then, whisker-like crystals fill the pores of the system, so that water can no longer penetrate. One just has to try IZOPRON to realize that the problem of waterproofing can in fact be solved both easily and quickly.